What does present indefinite tense mean? Present indefinite tense means zamana hal. Present indefinite tense express the action in the past. Present indefinite tense tells us about the action of present. Present में मौजूदा जो अभी हो रहा है. For example, अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I teach you. मैं आपको पढ़ाती हूँ. या हम present continuous में इसलिए मैंने नहीं बोला कि हमारा ये कंसर्न ही नहीं है, हमारा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है. अगर फिर भी मैं कहती हूँ तो मैं अभी जारी है मेरा काम, तो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. तो प्रेजेंट में यानी प्रेजेंट के जो एक्शन है किसी काम की बात जो है वो की जाती है. जैसे मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. I teach, I teach, I go. These are indefinite tense. Fairly hal, present indefinite tense. This picture is taken from your book Moin al-Tarjuma, and you can open your books and you also learn this from the slide. कायदा नंबर 18, अगर कोई काम मौजूदा जमाने में हो तो इसको उर्दू में फेले हाल, अंग्रेजी में प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. उर्दू में फेल के बाद ताहे, तीहे, ते हैं, ताहू होता है. जैसे वो जाता है, जाता है. अब ता है, जा को छोड़ दें. ता है, वो खाते हैं. ते हैं, गाती है. ती है, वो बोलता है. ता है, तुम खेलते हो. ते हो, मैं बातें करता हूँ. ता हूँ, हम दौड़ते हैं. ते हैं. यानी कि what is the identification for present indefinite tense? Identification or recognition we use for present indefinite tense is ताहे, तीहे, ते हैं. ताहे, तीहे, ते हैं, ताहूं, ती हूं. This is the identification we use for present indefinite tense, and present indefinite tense tells us about the action of present, express the action of presence. Look at the example. He goes, वो जाता है. With he, she, it and singular nouns we add es at the end of main verb. Like he, main verb is go, and we add es with main verb. With he, she, it and singular noun we add s or es. वो जाता है. She goes, वो जाती है. They go, वो जाते हैं. We do not add es with they, you, I and plural nouns. And also with we. They go. तुम जाते हो. You go. मैं जाता हूँ. I go. हम जाते हैं. We go. वो पानी पीता है. Now this is the third person singular. So with third person singular we add s or es with main verb. So with drinks we add s. He drinks water. रशीदा खाना पकाती है. रशीदा cooks food. लड़के गली में खेलते हैं. Boys play in the street. तुम खत लिखते हो. You write a letter. वो दूध पीता, मैं दूध पीता हूँ. I drink milk. हम अंडे खाते हैं. We eat eggs. Now look at this. She, Saima, he, Ali, boy, girl. Saima, boy and girl is singular noun. She and he are third person singular. So with for singular noun and third person singular I, we use s or we add s or es with main verb. Look at this. She goes, Saima goes, he goes, Ali goes, boy goes, girl goes. With singular nouns and third person singular he, she, we use I. Now look at this. They, you, we, I, girls, plural noun, boys, plural noun, birds, plural noun. With these pronouns and plural nouns, we do not add es with main verb. Like they go, you go, we go, I go, girls go, boys go, birds fly. Present indefinite tense. पहले हाल की पहचान. First is identification of present indefinite tense in Urdu. उर्दू के जिस जुमले के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ता हूं, ती है आता हो, वो जुमला फेले हाल होता है. The sentence of this tense ends in ता है, ती है, ते है, ता हूं, ती हूं. तर्जुमा करने का तरीका. फेले हाल का तर्जुमा फेल की पहली फॉर्म के साथ किया जाता है, लेकिन वाहिद गालिब ही, शी, इट या किसी नाम के लिए पहली फॉर्म के साथ एस या एस ज्यादा लगाया जाता है. We use which form of verb? First form of verb, but with he, she, it and singular nouns we add s and es with main verb or first form of verb. Note, ऐसे पाल जिसकी जमा के आखिर में sh, ch, x और o और ss हों, इनका तर्जुमा करते वक्त वाहिद गालिब या किसी नाम यानी ही, शी, इट के साथ अमूमन es लगाया जाता है. एक वो स्कूल जाता है, वो. अब किसी एक बंदे की बात हो रही है कि वो स्कूल जाता है, वो कोई लड़का है जो स्कूल जाता है और वाहिद है, और उसके लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे प्रोनाउन ही. अब now he is a third person singular, and third person singular we add es with main verb. Like go is a main verb, and with main verb we add es. He goes to school. Ahmad khat likhta hai. Ahmad is a singular noun and the name of one person or boy. So with right we add s, a letter. Ahmad writes a letter. Ahmad writes a letter. जुमले के हिस्से. Parts of sentence. As I told you in the previous lecture that a sentence is comprised of subject, verb and object. Like Ahmad file plus khat maf'ul plus likhta hai fail. Ahmad means subject. Ahmad is a subject. Khat, letter, is an object. Likhta hai is a verb. Right. Ahmad, subject, writes, verb, letter, object. Now, what is subject? Subject is a doer of action. An action which is done by someone. Like Ahmad is doing. Who is writing? Ahmad is writing. So Ahmad is a subject. Writes is an action. Who is writing? Ahmad is writing. A letter, action which is done on something, receiver of action. Ahmad is doer of action and a letter is a receiver of action. Action is done on a letter. Ahmad is doing action and this action is done on a letter. So Ahmad is a subject, writes is a verb and later is a object. Now here, look at this example. He is a subject, goes is a verb, to is a preposition and school is a object. जुमले की तरतीब उर्दू में subject, object, verb. But in English, subject comes first, then verb and then object. So the structure of sentences in English is SVO. SVO. S means subject, V mean verb, O mean object. Subject, verb, object. Form third person singular aids s or es. As I told you that with main verb with third person singular we add s or es. Now look at the chart and do concentrate on the chart like subjects. Subjects. The first column is the column of subject. Subject means doer of the action like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. I is a first person singular. I is a first person singular. But with this first person singular, we only use a simple form or a base form like sing, sing. I sing. We do not add s or es at the end of the main word. You. You is a simple form. You sing. We do not add s and es. He, simple form, plus s or es like he sings, he goes, he teaches. She, simple form, plus s. She sings, she goes, she walks. It, simple form of, plus s, like it sings, it flies. We, simple form, we sing. They, simple form, they sing. So you can observe that with he, she, it, we add s at the end of main verbs. But with I, you, we, they, we do not add s or es. As such, this is the rule that how to add s or es. S, sh, h, o, ch, and z. If the sentence, if a word ends in s, sh, x, o, ch, and z, then we add es. Then we add es like he passes, he washes, he fixes, he goes, he watches, he dozes. Consonant y. If the word ends in consonant y, then change y to I. Y change into I. Then add es like it flies, it flies, it tries, it tries. Anything else, add s like sings, sings, wash, washes. Now, look at this. This is the structure of a sentence: subject, verb, object. And in present indefinite tense, tell us about, or present indefinite tense we use with regular actions like I always go to school by bus. This is routine work and regular action. So with regular action, for telling the regular action we use present indefinite tense. Universal truth like sun rises in the east, God is one. These are universal truths. We cannot change these truths. So for the universal truths we use present indefinite tense. For telling the habits we also use present indefinite tense like Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. First person is I, second person is you, and third person is he, she, it. Present tense is used for action that is happening right now. Like I teach you, this is the action which is happening now. So I use I teach, first form of verb. So this is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is used to express habitual action, universal truth, and universal facts. Exercise number 1. वो आता है, वो खाता है, वो रोता है, वो दौड़ता है, वो गाता है. All are examples of present indefinite tense like he comes, he eats, he beeps. वो आता है, वो खाती है, वो गाती है, These are the example of present indefinite tense. Like she comes, we add s or es. She eats, she runs. And they come, they eat. With they, we do not add s or es. Like they come, they eat, they run, they sing, they play. तुम आते हो. You come, you sit, you write, you see, you laugh. You can see that we do not add s or es with you. मैं आता हूँ, मैं हल चलाता हूँ, मैं बैठता हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ. Like I is a first person singular, and when we translate it in English, we do not add s or es with main verb. Like I come, I play, I sit, I speak, I write, I read, I laugh. If we talk about the pronoun we, with pronoun we do not add s and es with main verb. Like we come, we know, we talk, we read, we teach, we catch. वो स्कूल जाता है, he goes to school. Why we add es? Because third person singular, with third person singular he adds s or es with main verb. So we use s and es with go. He goes to school. गाय घास खाती है. The cow is a singular noun, and with singular noun we add s with verb. Like eat is a verb. The cow eats the grass.
Here we discuss now the present indefinite tense. Must like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.